The group call feature creates a grid-style video call. It's great when you want to see everyone at once. Each group call supports up to 100 people. Let's try setting one up. The first option is screen share and whiteboard. Choose whether only admins or anyone can use these features. Next is mute everyone on joining. Enable this to automatically mute attendees when they join the group call. Then there's a request to join group call. When enabled, new attendees enter a waiting room until an admin admits them. Those already logged in will join automatically. You can choose to start the group call on the current floor or across the entire event. If you select the full event, it pulls everyone in. The countdown timer lets attendees know when the group call is about to begin so they can wrap up conversations. Once your settings are ready, click Start. The countdown will begin and your group call will launch. You can also create randomized groups with a set number of people per group.